Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add captions to your videos in InShot. Whether you want to add subtitles, text overlays, or just highlight important information, I've got you covered. Adding captions is a great way to make your videos more accessible and engaging. So if you are ready to enhance your video content, let's jump right in. Find the InShot app, now open it. Tap on video to start a new project. Then select the video you want to add captions to from your gallery. At the bottom of the screen, you will see a toolbar. Tap on the text option. Here you can find the option of captions. Now simply tap on it. Now from here you can choose the language like this. And you can also change the fonts however you want it to add. Now choose the one that you like the most. Then simply tap on to start. Now tap on to the free unlock button. After watching an ad, you will see captions auto-generated from the InShot app. Here you can see the captions have generated from the app automatically. After that, you can edit the video however you want it to edit and simply tap on to save. And there you go, you have successfully added captions to your video using InShot. It's that easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.